So Iman, I mean, I've known you for a long time. I know what commercials that the companies that you work with out there, and they're all over the place. I mean, on our local channels, I see them all over and when I'm working out in the morning, when I'm watching TV, whatever, and you know, on the History Channel, you name it. I see Michael and Son or Eastern's Automotive. Probably, if you live locally in Virginia, you've seen a lot of his commercials put out there. Tell me a little bit about what you learned from working with some of these big companies.
They're all different. They're very unique, and they all have different audiences that you're trying to reach. And that's the biggest challenge in today's world. There's so many ways to reach consumers. And some people are watching TV, some people don't listen to radio, some people are only online. And how to get that in front of that customer has become very challenging, and you have to adapt. Do you go on radio? Do you go on Pandora? Do you go on pre-rolls on video sites? Do you just go TV? Reaching that customer for every client is very unique, and it's very challenging, and it's fun to achieve that goal.
Changing.
Yeah, exactly. It's always changing.
For marketing guys, it's fun because we get new tools to do stuff.
You get new tools, but it's also fun to see the client succeed. You know, it's finding that goal for them and watching them grow with you is really what matters. You know, when you have a client that started, whether they're small or large, and they grow with you, that's what's fun about it. It's catching that glitch and growing with them.
Right, and keep going.
You know, Paisanos, you know, it's a little pizza place
Paisano.
that we started, and they're growing rapidly, and now they're franchising. So that was a very small account with one small station, but we started measuring it. We've got the celebrity talents with the Redskins coming in and doing their commercials for them, and it's been growing and growing and growing, and you know, the sky's the limit for them. So that's when it gets fun.
We have Iman to thank for bringing Redskins into the studio for us to meet all the time.
Yeah.
So we appreciate that.